Your mind may have wandered away from the relaxing darkness. What were you thinking about just now? Let your mind wander now to something you were doing earlier today. Let yourself remember what you were doing yesterday. And weeks and years ago. Just let your mind wander through these memories. Very good. Gently guide your attention now to the body, noticing your hands on the thighs, the warmth that has been generated between them. And now notice how you are sitting. What is your posture like? Can you lengthen your spine so that you are holding yourself with honor? Allow for a very gentle smile to come across your face. Just think about being happy and let that smile come. You can imagine someone that you love very much. Allow yourself to feel grateful for this person and for yourself. Return your awareness to the whole body. Experience your body as one beautiful organism. You are amazing. Open your eyes whenever you feel ready and take on the day with pride. Namaste.